So let's talk about expanding here, guys. So we have, for example, here 5 bracket y minus 3 minus 6, and we need to expand the 5 inside the bracket. And what's the sign here between the 5 and the bracket? It's multiplication. 5 times y is 5y, and 5 times minus 6 is minus 30. And notice here, guys, that in multiplication, we can multiply different terms. Not like in addition or subtraction. When they are not like terms, we cannot do anything. We just leave them as they are. But here, we multiply easily. 5 times y is 5y, and 5 times minus 6 is actually just minus 630. Okay, guys, thank you. Let's go for the next one. We have here a diagram shown to you guys in this matter. Let's say it is this way here. And let's say that we have this diagram, which has the value of, let's say that the value of this diagram, let me just draw this for you guys. Wait a second, please. Okay, let's say it's looking like this. It has here, for example, 80, and here it has 70, and here it has this number we don't know, and let's say here it's a right angle. So here we have a quadrilateral because it has 4 sides, and we know the sum of angles in a quadrilateral is 360, which is a good thing to know. So we already know this sign means 90 degrees, so we have 90, so 360 minus 90 plus the 70 we have here, guys, okay, plus the 80 here, guys, all right, and that's it. So yeah, all of this will show us the value of x. So after you plot the values that we have there, guys, we do what? We add them. So 90 plus 70 is obviously 160. You add up with 80 is 240. So you're gonna write 360 minus 240, and the value of this is actually just 120. So x equals 120. And the same for each and every different kind of diagram. If I show you here that we have this kind of shape here with a certain value, and I told you to find x, what are you gonna do here? First, you need to find this. And how to find this? By subtracting this from 180. And if you subtract this from 180, it is what, guys? It is 45. And you proceed on afterwards. Okay, guys? It's a really important matter we need to focus on. Okay, let's go to triangles. What is the sum of angles in triangle? 180. So you should know that by now, guys. Let's say here we have, we have here 70, and there we have 60. What is x? All you gotta do is to add the 60 with the 70, and obviously this will give you 130. Obviously minus sign here, I forgot. So 180 minus 130 is gonna be 150. Sorry, just 50. Okay, guys. So 180 minus 130 is just 50 degrees. So that's the value of x. It's a very important topic, guys, to focus on here. And the topic before the last topic is we have rounding. So you should know the meaning of rounding. So to round to one decimal place, let's say. And I gave you numbers like this one here. 15.675, and I told you to round this to one decimal place. You're gonna look at those 6, what's beside it, 7 up or down, up. The 6 now becomes 7. Okay, so 15.7. If I tell you to round to 2 decimal places, and here we have the number with same number, 15.675, and you're gonna look at the 7, what's beside it, 5, up or down, obviously up, so this becomes 8, and if it was here 4, it's down, so my answer is 15.67, and the 4 becomes 0, like here, these two become 0, rounding. Okay, and just know the meaning of ascending order, where you need to go, guys, from the smallest value to the biggest value, or let's say biggest value. Okay, so you go from smallest to biggest. That's called ascending order. And notice, guys, that in minus sign it's flipped. When we have the minus sign, it's flipped. You go from the bigger number to the smaller number, and that's it. We covered everything, inshallah, and good luck, guys.